Giveneck is your destination for oddly satisfying perfection, a blend of relaxation, creativity, and visual harmony. This enormous machine traverses fences with such ease, it appears to be a steel acrobat rather than an excavator. With a log splitter like this, you could comfortably endure a winter in the taiga. No exhaustion, no complaints, and a tidier woodpile than you could ever manage. When a component requires a perfect semicircle, this technological marvel polishes it as if preparing it for an architectural design competition. Exhaustion is unknown to these metallic titans. They operate silently for extended periods, without interruption or flaw. Winding tape or ribbon, it's a spectacle. Spools gyrate, materials whirl, and you quickly forget why you initially arrived. Position the component and the machine bends it accurately and swiftly. Hesitate, however, and you'll hit your fingers, not the target. Small wooden rods rapidly eject from the machine, one after another, ready for myriad applications. On the surface, sharp lines, even color, no flaws, all from a machine like an artist. Each cycle of this apparatus refines the material with incredible precision, as though perfected by a master artisan. Excessive tape? Not an issue. When all spools rotate simultaneously, it transforms into an organized ballet of packaging. Seeking efficiency? This automated irrigation system manages itself, akin to having a personal skilled landscaper. Once emptied, beverage cans are subjected to the press, emerging as a compact recyclable aluminum block. Cakes are sliced with geometric precision, creating neat, uniformly presented portions. Shoelaces are threaded through pants with effortless speed and precision, completing the task in an instant. A semi-automatic harvester is far superior to a manual tool. Maintain grip, advance, and witness the crops effortlessly yield. Metal resists, but it will not prevail when the press and the skilled operator collaborate, guiding it with precision. Observing powerful production machines in action is as captivating as watching fire or water. This large machine operates with power, precision, and reliability, requiring only a steady supply of plates. A substantial cut of meat enters and emerges precisely trimmed. The eager cutting action gives the impression that the machine is preparing a gourmet offering. A tree stump is eradicated with decisive force, a garden equivalent of a decisive Mortal Kombat finishing move. The machine operates with remarkable finesse and dexterity, akin to a highly skilled seamstress. This tea-picking apparatus resembles a collaborative game, with leaves entering on one side and content individuals on the other. A robot equipped with sensor eyes selectively harvests only ripe apples, carefully detaching them from the branch. This is truly Apple intelligence. Whether magic or engineering brilliance, the remarkable agility of this mechanism defies belief. No commentary is necessary, merely a captivating sight. The machine performs its function, and the observer is left spellbound. Experience ultimate speed and precision in material cutting with this advanced system. Bottles move along the line in perfect formation, guided by an intelligent sorting system. This machine makes peeling vegetables like potatoes and carrots simple and quick. Precise pouring for tile installation is achieved with a professional tool, ensuring strict uniformity. Experience the elegant precision of machines as a cutting stream melts and shapes metal with fluidity. Ice cream is elegantly dispensed into containers by a large-scale industrial machine. A spiked cylinder, designed for peak performance rather than musical expression, divests poultry of its feathers with celebratory ease. This autonomous unit constructs walls layer by layer, akin to a sophisticated 3D printer operating without exertion or interruption. The rapidity with which this machine wraps a pipe in white tape renders manual application unfathomable. A metal tube and its spiral ridge, a perfect fit. The machine works precisely. This press makes holes in metal with energy, aiming for perfect accuracy, each hit flawless. Who thought peeling fruits and veggies could be so fast and precise? The machine removes the skin perfectly. A saw the size of a bike wheel cuts wood into equal pieces. All automatic, no hands. One pass of this cleaner, and the farm building goes from messy to fit for royalty. Here, marketing meets art. Frozen treat is made in front of you, like a sculpture. Two powerful rollers efficiently crush car rims into flat discs. Even the toughest stone yields to this tool, which drills clean holes without damage. With the right tool, your vision becomes reality. When a moving belt presents future products quickly, observation is wiser than intervention. Moving heavy car wheels isn't easy. Sometimes the whole car needs lifting devices. Valuable fluid courses like a river as the formidable press extracts every last drop. Rest assured, it leaves absolutely nothing behind. Engage your mesmerized setting. Machines rotate, press, slice. You won't be able to divert your gaze. Cargo in flight, machine in operation. This is delivery without the need for couriers. Simply keep your eyes wide open. While the operator calmly supervises, the machine glides along rows, planting seedlings at ideal intervals and depths, gently, precisely. Some machines are simply captivating. You observe in wonder, precise, synchronized, as if every frame were meticulously storyboarded. A perfectly smooth concrete floor? Absolutely achievable, particularly with this machine. The operator even assumes a regal posture on their elevated seat. After the concrete is poured, a specialized apparatus sweeps over it, rendering its surface as smooth as liquid silk. Packaging alone is insufficient. It demands exquisite and dependable sealing. This is where the sealing apparatus truly excels. Whoosh, and the eggs are cracked open. This egg-breaking carousel spins with the urgency of someone running late for breakfast. The machine fills bags with the flair of a conjurer. Puff, done. Just don't blink or you'll miss your cue to load the next one. It resembles clay, behaves like clay, and then unexpectedly flip-flops. This substance must be magical. Ceiling too high, awkward angle, equip stilts. Now you're a construction behemoth with effortless reach. The rod bends like clay, but under mechanical pressure, not by hand. Need a curve, a wave? Allow your imagination to rest. Barbed wire doesn't materialize on its own, and here's the workshop hero, twisting metal with surgical precision, transforming wire into fortification. A stack of fabric folded like books on a shelf. A single cut, and hundreds of garments are mentally arranged for display. Beauty and efficiency captured in one instant. Peeling potatoes by hand? Forget it. This machine skins them with pressure, courteously, cleanly, and quickly. Here, the dexterity of human hands blends with mechanical precision, giving rise to straw hats, each spiral a collaborative feat. Even manufacturing facilities require systematic flow. Components diverge like trains at a hub, skillfully avoiding collision. When containers are formed from air and pressure, it's not enchantment, it's a masterclass from a machine that shapes plastic with breath. The might of machinery combined with the gentle sound of flowing water, almost serene if not for the tremor from this iron behemoth. The press impacts the chain, the worker feeds the links, and together they forge a connection that even an anchor couldn't sever. When a machine twists solid metal into a spiral like pasta, it's impressive. Witness colossal containers being formed. This isn't merely machinery, but a dynamic smoke-billowing forge at work. Observing the press in action can be entrancing. Industrial output possesses an enduring, consistent rhythm. Witnessing these skilled operators and their equipment is like observing a talent showcase, highlighting the factory's true performers. This rotating instrument precisely sculpts intricate geometric cuts into robust metal. The moment wood enters, the machine devours it. Logs are fed in and chips are expelled. Industrial consumption at its finest. Packaging at a masterful level, the machine folds, the worker inserts, and it's sealed and ready for dispatch. And this specific section, it takes shape with exceptional style. More than just a bend, it's a complete transformation for a simple component. This machine expertly plants seedlings under plastic, gently covering them with earth. Logs are precisely cored by this machine, leaving no unwanted shavings. Bread is packaged and portioned with musical timing, each element perfectly synchronized into a flawless operation. This log splitter operates with furious rotation, effortlessly cleaving wood, much like cracking nuts. This machine meticulously shapes wooden pieces, removing all imperfections to achieve a flawless form. A plain metal rod undergoes transformation into a twisted spiral as the machine heats and twirls it like pasta on a fork. The plantation transforms into an amusement park scene. Machines efficiently gather fruit while individuals display genuine contentment. The harvester seizes corn, separates the kernels, and dispatches them. If only manual harvesting possessed such efficiency, brakes would be unnecessary. Witnessing it bend the end of a metal rod into a hook is akin to observing it manipulate clay, despite the undeniable metallic nature of the material. This log splitter effortlessly processes firewood without mess or noise. Beer cans are sealed with an impressive click and snap, a neat and efficient process. Metal is bent into perfect rings under this press, then seamlessly joined for a flawless finish. This powerful machine effortlessly crushes large rocks, reducing cliffs to dust. Join two metal parts firmly and precisely, feeling like a modern blacksmith with the right tool. This versatile bucket lifts, carries, and levels ground with exceptional precision, handling multiple construction tasks. The process of encasing luggage in protective film offers a profoundly satisfying visual, surpassing many autonomous sensory meridian response stimuli. The machine performs loading and unloading operations with military-grade precision, completing all tasks while observers merely watch in awe. The machine gently agitates the tree, eliciting a shower of produce that descends with the swift exactitude of dispensed currency. Cut vegetables fly from the blade so fast and smoothly, you could do a cooking show. Watch a fast, jointed arm reach out, removing extra branches as if guided to perfect order. Making wheels? Easy with a strong press and steady material. Production starts. Need a big hole in the ground for a pipe or support? Watch the machine do it in seconds. This machine with two jointed arms doesn't just work, it seems to have a purpose. This automatic device puts a label on a round container so perfectly, even a picky person would be happy. A machine rapidly debones poultry, sectioning it into neat cubes with remarkable speed. Fencing panels are woven in a single, swift, and level pass, demonstrating a fluid mastery over metal. A motorized vehicle moves on asphalt like an artist's brush, leaving a white line. These two refresh the dividing line. Their work resembles calligraphy on pavement. A quick, distinct sound. Your treat is encased like a tiny armored guard. This brute can effortlessly bisect any tool in seconds, and no, that is not an exaggeration.